mine. Oh, let go, let go. Hey, hey, I saw fur. Hands off my property, you mouse stealer. Oh, getting rough, huh? Let go, come on, get up.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family.
Mondays on Discovery Family.
We're looking for a cake. I know you're the right guy to do it.
Preheat your TV for some lip-smacking family fun.
I just hope we don't blow cake all over the mayor when we fire up this confetti cannon.
With bake-to-bake episodes of our favorite cake show.
So who wants to eat some cake?
So sink your sweet tooth into Cake Boss. Back-to-back episodes, Mondays starting at 9 p.m. on Discovery Family.
Doesn't matter what comes, fresh goes better in life. With Mentos fresh and full of life. Nothing gets to you, staying fresh, staying cool. With Mentos fresh and full of life. Fresh goes better, Mentos freshness. Fresh goes better with Mentos fresh and full of life.
Mentos, the fresh maker.
Okay, listen up. Selling our place, buying this place. Thoughts? Negative me.
No.
Shouldn't have started with you. Spontaneous me.
Already ordering drapes.
Antisocial me. Lazy me.
We gotta sell our place, sort out finances.
Stressed me. Does anybody have anything helpful? Helpful me.
We don't need to stress about lining it all up. Zillow can help with that.
And that's why you're my favorite me. 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 And me.
Me. Me. Me. Oh, yeah.
Now in theaters. Marvel's new Avenger is here. It's time to make history. Marvel's Shang Chi. In theaters now.
Welcome to Buzz Blast Live Reviews. And today, we're talking about cats. They offer many things like warmth, companionship, and unconditional love. But they're messy, so it's not worth it. That's why this product was invented, the Catnator 85, a behavior module that allows any android to become a feline friend. J-Borg, would you?
Will this embarrass me?
No, relax. You'll be a cool cat.
J-Borg, how dare you make a bad pointless ad? You're fired.
4 teams of amateur renovators in a competition where skill is measured room by room. We're gonna do whatever it takes to win. Dave Salmoni hosts the second season of Game of Homes, all new Mondays at 10 on Discovery Family. We're back with Discovery Family.